So we're starting a vlog, and this is episode 1. Wanted to just kind of introduce myself, introduce our business, introduce my business partner, Ray, kind of talk about what we're gonna be discussing in the future, what you guys want us to discuss, talk about our general overall real estate journey, how we've gotten here, where we are today, what we're focusing on, a little bit about our backgrounds, and just general business real estate stuff. Don't really have anything super specific, but figured it's a cool way to document what we're doing. Want to give everybody ideas that we come up with. We understand that what we do in our business and what we build may not be the same as everyone else, and there's so many different ways to do stuff, but you know, hopefully some of the ideas we share, some of the things we talk about are beneficial to everybody, and you know, we can provide some sort of value. And I also want to discuss just business in general. I don't really, you know, while this is a real estate focused vlog / channel, I really want to talk about running a business, operating a business, growing a business, the challenges that we've had doing that, and how we want to grow in the future. Because I feel that that's important as well, because as you grow in your real estate career and as you're investing and buying and renovating and selling, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, you know, you also want to build the business as well, and grow the business and grow your team and expand, and allows you to scale. So in addition to real estate, hopefully we can touch on some business topics as well. I'm gonna go make a smoothie. So there's a ton of different aspects of real estate, and I realize that a lot of people may be focusing on other topics than what we plan on covering. You know, you could be into commercial, you can be into hospitality, you can be in multifamily, syndication, so many different aspects of real estate, and you know, we're gonna cover specific aspects that we concentrate on and that we work on daily. But you know, if there's any other topics that you want us to cover, if there's any guests you want us to bring in to talk about other aspects of real estate, definitely let us know in the comments. Definitely hit me up. As far as this real estate channel is concerned, we're gonna probably focus more on multifamily development, residential, maybe some mixed use stuff, because that's what our experience has been. And kind of cover the gamut, and maybe discuss new things that we're looking at. We did dabble in commercial last year, so didn't go so hot, so we can kind of talk about the challenges that we've had in the past as well. Side note, pro tip, parent tip, if you've seen this before, it's a magnetic lock for your cabinets. So if you have little kids like I do, and they try to get in their grubby little hands into everything, you can use this, and it just really is a magnet, and instead of having ugly locks on the outside, opens the cabinet like that. So, you know, there's more than one way to skin a cat, and you know, some of the stuff that we're gonna be talking about, you know, works in our business and works for us. It may work for you guys, it may not work for you guys, but you know, every business is different, every market is different. We've been working we're in Boston, Massachusetts. We've been working here for over 10 years. And so, you know, I want to preface, I guess, that, you know, what may work for us may not necessarily work for someone else. But hopefully we can provide some value with some of the ideas and some of the things that we're doing that have worked for us in the past. Can you say hi, Eleanor? No? Why?
She's soaked and she's a mess.
You're a mess?
She's a mess.
Can you say hi?
She has to go to the bathroom. All right, let's go. Bathroom time.
All right, I'm heading out. Vlog. See, you don't know what a vlog is. vlog. I'm just doing like some YouTube video stuff. Can I have a kiss goodbye? And I feel that a lot of people post all of the good stuff on their social media accounts. They don't post any of the bad stuff. They have all the pretty pictures on Instagram and their stories, and everything's perfect in their business and everyone's making a ton of money. But we all know that that's not always 100% true. There's always challenges, growing pains, issues that come up during projects, issues that come up during purchasing a building, selling a building, renovating a building. Throughout the entire life cycle of a project, you run into challenges all the time. While we want to talk about the successes and the wins, we also want to talk about the losses. And I feel that that's important to me to talk about during some of these episodes. Losses do help, and they help you grow as a business, they help you grow as a person. You learn from your mistakes, and so we want to not just talk about the wins, but also talk about some of the losses and how we have overcome those losses as well. So what is HRV Homes? Who are we? What do we do? We focus on multifamily, residential, or mixed-use development in and around Metro Boston. We will do new construction, we'll do land development, we'll do existing gut renovations, additions. We do both for sale development and hold development. So that means that some stuff we'll buy, we'll renovate, we'll sell. Some stuff we will buy and rent out and keep for long-term cash flow. Obviously, it all depends on the numbers. Numbers play a pivotal role in everything that we do. Spreadsheets don't lie. Ray will most likely be explaining some of that stuff in future episodes. About myself, who am I? My background, I started off knowing nothing about real estate. I graduated with a computer engineering degree. So came into real estate blind, knowing nothing. I purchased my first 3-family in 2008 at the bottom of the market, right after the crash. I was sick of paying rent, wanted to do something real estate related, but not really, didn't have a lot of money since I was a year out of school. So bought 3-family, lived in one unit with a roommate, rented out the other. It's a house hack, as they say, and we can define some of those terms in another episode as well. But got into it, did really well, or did fairly well, pretty much paid for all of my living expenses. And so I met Ray, who hopefully you'll meet at some point, at my corporate job out of school, and we became close. He has a background, or his dad has a background in construction, so kind of hit it off, became friendly, started talking real estate, and I said, hey man, you want to try to do something together, you want to try to flip something. So we bought our first condo conversion in 2010, and that's when the company was born. And we kind of started off slow, did a couple things, maybe one project a year while we were at our full-time jobs. And then 2013, we kind of really pressed on the gas and really started to grow. And 2015, we both left our full-time jobs and started this full-time. All right, let's head to the office. Hopefully we can meet the team there, AKA Ray. Let's go see if Ray's here. Ray? Ray? Is he? All right, So since Ray's not here, I'll talk a little bit about our roles and responsibilities within the business, what I focus on, what Ray focuses on, and go from there. I'm more of an extrovert, Ray's more of an introvert, and so I focus more on acquisitions, talking with potential sellers. I handle talking and designing with architects. All of our finish work I am intimately involved in, floor plans, layouts, that sort of thing. I handle more of the day-to-day project management, working with our subcontractors, just kind of any general, I guess, people-facing activities I kind of handle. Ray's more on the back office side. He handles a lot of our numbers. He's our numbers guy. So he works and designs all of our spreadsheets. He handles all of our finances, works with our bookkeeper, works with our accountants. He does a lot of our contracts with our subcontractors and various vendors, make sure the bills get paid. He also handles our rental portfolio. So he manages all of our rentals. He works with our property managers. On that team, he works with agents when they're leasing up units. I feel that defining roles and responsibilities within a business early on is key, and that's, again, another episode that we can talk all about. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notified of future episodes. Also, in the comments below, if there's any topics that you want us to cover, real estate related, business related, definitely let us know. We want to keep making these videos and pushing them out. Hopefully they're valuable. So definitely hit us up, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Hi.
Oh, God, we're doing this again.
People want to know all about you. What are you all about,
What
Ray?
am I all about? Cheap clothes. I don't know.
Your hopes, your dreams.
Oh God, this is more than just 10 seconds. I'm originally from Connecticut. My dad was a contractor, carpenter, and over the years I worked with him. So I didn't enjoy it at all. I hated it. It was like my summer jobs during high school, and somehow after graduating with a business degree, management information technology kind of thing, or MIS, I met Dan, and then we got into real estate again, but from a different perspective. If you want to see more of this, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, also let us know in the comments if you don't want to see this.
Perfect. Thank you.